Today's episode is a quickie because I am in full-blown launch mode. You do not want to see what my desk looks like right now. But listen up. If your email list is growing but no one's buying, I want you to stop what you're doing and go register for my free masterclass. Because the truth is, if your lead magnet isn't attracting buyers, you're just collecting email addresses that cost you time, money, and energy with no return. Let's fix that together. Hi friend, LIEZLE, e-commerce email marketing expert and creator of the e-commerce email rhythm playbook. I help product-based business owners just like you turn their email list into a reliable sales channel using simple, repeatable systems. And inside my free masterclass that's happening this week, I'm pulling back the curtain on a method that has helped my students generate thousands in revenue from the very first email. You don't need more followers or another discount code. You need a lead magnet that's built around your best-selling product, one that attracts people who actually want what you sell. In this masterclass, I'll show you how to turn that bestseller into your list building machine, one that brings in high intent subscribers and leads them straight to checkout. Here's exactly what you'll learn when you show up live. First, I'll walk you through how to identify your best-selling product using data, not guesswork. You might think you know what your top product is, but I'll show you how to verify it and why that matters so much when it comes to your lead magnet. Next, you'll learn how to align your lead magnet to your product. So your freebie isn't just growing your list, but it's attracting people who are ready to buy. And finally, I'll teach you how to turn your lead magnet into a simple sales path using one of my favorite automations. Don't worry, you don't need to be techie. I'll show you how it all fits together. One of my students, Jennifer, used this exact method. She replaced her discount code with a quiz that recommended her best-selling product. And within a few months, she generated over $6,000 in revenue. This method works, and I want to show you how to make it work for your store too. This is a short and sweet, actionable workshop. It's gonna take less than an hour of your time. You don't need a finished website, a tech team, or a massive list to benefit. All you need is one great product, and I'll show you how to use it to grow a list of people who actually want your product. So grab your seat now at SHECOMMERCEsimplified.com/masterclass. The link is below this video. And if you're tired of lead magnets that don't lead to anything, let's change that. I'll see you live in a couple of hours. Bye for now.